Don't film me on my car. You can film me, it's not on my car. Excuse me. Excuse me.
What's your name and badge?
Presley, 9005. Step back. Thank you. Appreciate it. 6 feet.
Why are you stopping me from recording?
Is it? Why are you recording my car?
You must know my video.
Okay, cool.
What up, guys? Welcome back. Today's video comes to you from I Am God in New York. Brand new channel, folks, and he's got 2 videos out. Yesterday somebody sent me his video and told me to check him out, and I did, and I was like, whoa. And you guys already know I'm trying to help out the channels out there in New York. You guys out in New York already know you can reach out to your homie out here in California and we'll help your channels grow. So you guys, let's go ahead and start watching this video. Let's see what we got. I don't want to waste your time.
Why are you recording my car? You can record me all you want. You don't record my car.
You're coming too close, bro.
Yeah, I'm not too close. You're too close.
Look at
You don't record the car. You record me, not the car. All right, there's no reason for you to record my car.
Put away from me, bro.
There's no reason for you to be recording my car.
It's all right. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a public vehicle.
Sergeant DeSantis,
Identify yourselves, all of you, please.
Step out of the street.
Please.
Step out of the street.
All right. I'll step over, but I need to know who I'm speaking with.
Do you have any pertinent reason why
You're a stranger to me. Unless you identify yourself, you have no authority.
Reason why you're recording in our vehicle?
Because I would like to.
Okay,
It's
that's not a
interesting.
reason.
Yes, it is. Sure it is.
Okay.
Folks, Dos Santos here. 2 saints is what his last name means in English. Dos Santos, right? He's wrong. You don't need a reason to be free. Is this guy crazy?
Name?
No, you did not.
Sergeant DeSantos, 52nd.
Please do not touch me again.
You have a good day. This is not you.
Listen, that's my property. I don't need you to touch it.
Have a good day, sir.
That's a part of me. It's an extension of me.
So he did it again after he was asked not to. Why are you guys paying taxes if this is what you're going to get? It's just a question.
Stand up. No.
And they got it wrong. It's not even their car. That car belongs to the people. And we can record whatever we like in public. And these guys think that we can't. And that's the problem, folks. Everybody out there in New York has to hold them accountable or they're never gonna fucking get it. It's best that one of you guys out there in New York helps out the other channels out there, right? Helps them grow, because one channel with millions and millions of views and millions of subs isn't going to cut it. That is not going to create the change that is much needed, especially in the state of New York. And I can see it all the way from here in California. We need hundreds, if not thousands of people recording cops and holding government accountable, or it's never going to change out there. You're never going to get that change that you think you're going to get. We need everybody doing it. That's why it's important to help smaller channels. And I don't mind helping folks. I don't mind helping the competition. This was never about me leading the way. This was about all of us walking together in unison, holding government accountable. We the people. That is what we the people is all about. Hell yeah, go back and record it again. Fuck yeah. Yeah.
What are we talking about, man?
This guy's got some balls. I like it.
Yo, dude, what are you doing?
Bro, stop messing up the video, bro. Relax, man. Yo, bro, I'm on a public sidewalk, dog. It's a public vehicle.
No, it's not. You don't touch up. You have keys to it?
It ain't your car, homie. You paid for it?
Doesn't matter.
You have keys to it.
Bro, I could sit on the car, I could touch the car, I could do whatever. Yes, I can. Bro, relax, man. Just relax. It's just a video. It's just a video. Stop messing up the video, bro.
Go about your day.
No, bro. This is what I'm doing. I'm investigating.
No, you're being an agitator.
I'm investigating. I never talked to you. You came out here. You never even... Bro, give me...
Yeah, who is the agitator, right? Who walked up to who? You know what I mean? These guys are crazy. Look at these fools. Can y'all say thumbnail and shit?
Card. Give me a card.
I don't have a card.
Why don't you have a card? It's a right to know act. You know that, right? Write it down somewhere, bro. No.
I have to order new cards from the department because they supply us business
All right, but
cards.
I need you to supply me on paper.
Business cards, so I have to order some.
I need you
From
to
the
supply
department,
with
which
me.
they supply.
I need
badge
it.
number is
Listen to me.
9005. It's Presley.
Yo,
Only
bro,
Presley in
I'm
the
hard of
department.
understanding. I need you to write it down so that I could go make a complaint on you. You
Okay,
heard?
my God, brother.
No. I need you to write it down. It's the Right to Know Act. It's a law. It's going to be another part of your complaint. You understand that, right? Yo, it's going to be another part of your complaint, bro.
Presley 9005.
Don't do that, bro. Write it down like you're supposed to. It's a policy, bro. Do it. It's a law. It's supposed. It's a law.
Well, obviously Presley lost that argument.
This nigga right here. Yo, what's your name? What's your name?
Huh?
What? Yeah.
Officer Bernard.
Bernard, what's your badge number?
21066.
I'm not in the street. I'm not in the street. Bro, relax, man. I'm asking for his name, bro. What's the lack? Can you say it again? I ain't catch it. This guy interrupted. Yo, come on, man. Yo, give me your card. Give me your card. Give me your card.
Pig.
I need an RTK card, please. I'm not even close to you, bro. Look. Stop getting all defensive, bro. It's just a camera, bro. All right.
Give me 1 second. All right, I said to stop, and you.
I'm not, bro.
I said to stop.
I moved to the side, bro. Relax.
You pussy.
I'm perfectly calm.
All right, don't be scared of me. I don't have any weapons. Relax.
Why your hand shaking?
Because you're a cop.
Why your hands shaking? Because you're a pig.
A person like me.
No, not exactly. Not exactly. There's a thin blue line between us. You know that, right?
Crybaby.
Yeah.
You don't know what that means. You're a pig. That's what that means. You like to play in the mud. And that New York mud.
Right here, man.
One 17653. Hell yeah, good job, bro.
17653.
Hell yeah, good job.
There you are.
Show it to us. Hell yeah! Ha ha ha! Yee! 52nd precinct.
52nd precinct. You heard?
Hell yeah.
Where we at? We're on Kingsbridge, yeah? Right by Broadway. 233rd, whatever, 241st, whatever it's called. Let him not arrest me for stepping off the curb like an asshole.
Damn. You see them? They're just pushing through the crosswalk, trying to run people over. Man, I gotta tell you, New York needs a lot of work recording cops in the streets, folks. New York needs it bad. I mean, we've already hit the streets out here in California left and right. And I know we got some badass channels out there. Good Guy Activism. We got Eli out there. Several other channels as well. I've highlighted a few channels from New York. This is the next guy right here. I Am God New York. Hell yeah, bro. Good work, man. I really, really do like what I'm seeing so far. He's got another badass video.
Talking shit and they can't handle it. Because they're little bitches who got bullied in high school and or were bullies, and they either want to now bully people or want to continue to bully people. So they can't take people talking shit to them. They can't handle it.
It hurts out when there's nobody mad and then you hear the road. If you guys got a year in a row locked up, you can't get that.
I'm full.
If you gotta get tased,
You need in my opinion, bro, you need at least 4 years of training before you become a cop, bro. You need 4 years of training on how, and 3 of those better be on how to de-escalate situations.
They get 6 months. 6 months.
These cops are not trained properly. They've been trained to stop and frisk. They've been trained to violate your rights. They don't know anything about the First Amendment. They constantly violate people's Fourth Amendment rights. New York is a cesspool of tyrants. It's important for the bigger channels to help the smaller channels because we need tons of channels recording police. One guy is not fucking Superman. Stop kidding yourselves. It's embarrassing at this point. Smaller channels need to grow. Fuck the competition. This isn't about competition. This is about holding government accountable and fucking creating change for freedom for everyone. And that's the community that I want to be a part of. I don't want to be a part of this fucking, everyone look at me, I'm so great. It feels so good helping channels. The emails that I get, the people that I talk to on the phone and the emails and all the stuff that they send me. And it just, I know and understand why a lot of these channels start their channels. They tell me their stories. I know what's going on. And it feels really fucking good to catapult somebody up there. Because do you know how hard it is to grow a fucking channel? It is extremely hard to grow a channel. I'm going to tell you guys something else. I'm working on a website and there's a lot of different things that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be highlighting videos that I don't highlight on my channel because they're violent or whatever. And I've been flagged too many times and I've had far too many videos turn yellow. So I've been walking on thin ice, making sure my channel don't go away. But they are building me a website and we're going to be highlighting that soon. I want you guys to go follow me on the website, because we're going to be highlighting some stuff that we won't show you here on YouTube because of censorship. You are going to get me uncensored. I'm going to be highlighting videos, like I said, that I wouldn't highlight here on YouTube. So I'll be giving you guys more information on that soon. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and cut this off because I want this guy to get some love and support from you guys. Right now, he's got 3 subs. How many subs can we get him, folks? Let's do it. And thank you guys in advance. I'll see you guys in this comment section. Peace.